The Baker BP Dominator Band Sawmill is a high-performance piece of equipment designed for efficient and precise wood processing. High Country Lumber operates two of these mills, each powered by a 50-horsepower head motor and a 15-horsepower hydraulic unit, after a devastating fire that destroyed their circular mill and grade resaw system. The Coblentz family faced the challenge of rebuilding. They chose to invest in the Baker Dominator, which provided a lower initial investment compared to their previous setup. The Dominator's superior yield and production efficiency have significantly improved operations, allowing the mill to process between 15,000 to 20,000 board feet per shift. The decision to switch to the Baker Dominator has not only met but exceeded the expectations of High Country Lumber, making it a vital component in their successful recovery and ongoing productivity. Mendes Maquinas stands at the forefront of industrial innovation in Latin America, specializing in the design and production of high-quality machinery and equipment tailored for the wood industry and beyond. Our flagship product, the log sorting line, exemplifies our commitment to advancing technological solutions in the sector. Our log sorting line is engineered to enhance the efficiency and precision of wood processing operations. It integrates advanced automation technologies to streamline the sorting and categorization of logs, optimizing throughput and ensuring superior quality control. This cutting-edge equipment reflects our dedication to supporting the wood industry with reliable, state-of-the-art solutions. At Mendes Maquinas, we pride ourselves on our ability to deliver custom-designed machinery that meets the specific needs of our clients. Our solutions are backed by a strong network of esteemed international partners, ensuring that we provide not only innovative technology, but also world-class support and service, with a focus on excellence and customer satisfaction. Mendes Maquinas continues to lead the way in industrial machinery, driving progress across various market segments. The Edger VRA40 of by Nibor is a high-performance automated edging machine engineered for efficiency and precision in high-volume log sawing operations. Its standout feature is the automatic infeed system, which eliminates the need for manual operator intervention, thus reducing labor costs and streamlining the production process. This machine is specifically designed to enhance productivity in log sawing lines by optimizing the cutting process, making it ideal for businesses aiming to improve output while minimizing operational expenses. The Edger VRA40 boasts customizable feed speeds and configurations, allowing it to be tailored to meet specific production needs and preferences. It also offers the option of integrating chipping heads, providing added versatility and functionality. This capability enables the machine to handle a variety of processing tasks efficiently, from basic edging to more complex operations. USNR Resaw is a prominent name in the forest products equipment industry, renowned for its extensive range of cutting-edge solutions for wood processing. As the largest global supplier of equipment and technology for this sector, USNR provides innovative systems for producing dimensional lumber, plywood, panels, finger-jointed components, and engineered wood products. Their comprehensive offerings include not only the equipment, but also the essential support services needed for efficient wood processing operations worldwide. In 2021, USNR expanded its capabilities significantly through a merger with Burton Mill Solutions, formerly Wood Fiber Group. This strategic move solidified USNR's position as the world's leading provider of modern wood processing equipment, technology, and tooling. This merger combined expertise and resources, enhancing USNR's ability to deliver state-of-the-art solutions to its diverse clientele. Operating around the clock, 365 days a year, USNR is committed to excellence in service and support. Their team handles complex logistics and challenging applications with ease, ensuring that clients receive continuous support and high-quality equipment. From installation to ongoing maintenance, USNR's dedication to customer satisfaction underscores their role as a key player in the global wood processing industry. The Frontier OS27 by Norwood offers an affordable and user-friendly solution for those seeking a reliable portable sawmill. Designed to cater to the needs of both amateur and seasoned sawyers, the OS27 excels in providing powerful and safe sawing capabilities. It can handle logs up to 69 centimeters in diameter and transform them into boards and beams up to 56 centimeters wide. For those requiring additional capacity, optional log bed extensions are available. Norwood Sawmills, renowned for its expertise in portable sawmill technology since 1993, is behind the OS27. The company is committed to delivering sawmills that are not only efficient but also user-friendly, prioritizing simplicity, speed, and safety. The OS27 reflects Norwood's dedication to high standards and innovative design, ensuring a product that meets rigorous international safety standards. Whether you're a woodworker, farmer, or DIY enthusiast, the Frontier OS27 offers a cost-effective and versatile solution for your wood processing needs. The Baker 3674KD Bluestreak is a high-performance portable band sawmill designed for both efficiency and durability. Powered by a robust 7.4 HP Kohler diesel engine, this sawmill is engineered to handle demanding tasks with ease. The Bluestreak's advanced features include a precision cutting system that ensures accurate and consistent lumber production. Its rugged construction makes it suitable for a variety of terrains and weather conditions, providing reliable performance in diverse environments. The sawmill's design emphasizes user convenience and safety, with ergonomic controls and easy maintenance access. The Bluestreak also boasts enhanced mobility, allowing it to be transported between job sites effortlessly. The integration of the Kohler diesel engine delivers ample power while maintaining fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for high-volume cutting. Ideal for professional woodworkers and lumber producers, the Baker 3674KD Bluestreak combines cutting-edge technology with practical features to meet the demands of modern milling operations. Whether you're working on large-scale projects or smaller custom jobs, this sawmill offers the precision and reliability needed to achieve superior results. HTZ800 mobile band sawmill combines compact design with professional-grade performance, making it ideal for various cutting needs. As the smallest model in the Mibor lineup, the HTZ800 is designed to deliver the reliability and efficiency of larger Mibor band sawmills in a more manageable size. Available in two configurations, the HTZ800 can be equipped with manual clamps for a basic setup or upgraded to a fully hydraulic version for enhanced functionality. The sawmill supports blades up to 80 mm wide, with an option for the more efficient 80 to 100 mm wide blades, catering to different cutting requirements. Its portable design is especially advantageous for on-site milling, allowing for flexibility and convenience, whether used in a workshop or on location. The Mibor HTZ800 offers a practical solution for precise, high-quality cuts while maintaining the robustness expected from Mibor machinery. The Wheelapila Dwawalawa WD-200/240M, manufactured by Drumet, is a sophisticated double-shaft multiple-blade circular saw designed for high-efficiency cutting in woodworking applications. This machine is engineered to handle large volumes of material with precision, making it ideal for both industrial and commercial use. The WD-200/240M features two parallel shafts, each equipped with multiple saw blades. This dual shaft setup allows for simultaneous cutting of multiple pieces of wood, significantly increasing productivity and reducing processing time. The saw blades are adjustable, enabling users to customize cutting depths and angles to suit various material thicknesses and project requirements. Equipped with robust safety features and a user-friendly control system, the WD-200/240M ensures a high level of operational safety and ease of use. Its durable construction and high-performance capabilities make it a valuable asset for any woodworking operation, whether for large-scale production or custom projects.